what they came up with. Straight from the spring 2012 Red Silver Gold Sassy Couture collection, model Trish is wearing an original one-shoulder piece couture piece with ridges on the sleeve and the bottom. From the individual who wants a little sass, while they were which is also Sassy Couture pieces. First, Trish has on a Sassy Couture braided headband with pops of red and gold vacuum taters. This is right, vacuum taters. She also, her neck is an original piece of Sassy Couture exclusive spring collection. Now feast your eyes on the vacuum tater bracelet, which can only get from Sassy Spring Line. Shut up, bracelet. Now the coat wouldn't be complete without the matching belt and the container earrings.
Go ahead,
But last but not least, pay attention to those hands designing gems and on buttons. Check her out. Check out the competition. Sassy Couture Pieces is here to stay, so eat your heart out.